Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. So as you can see, this is the official application of Outlook. So make sure to go to Play Store and App Store and download this application called Outlook. Just search your Outlook and you will be able to find the application called Outlook. And once you have downloaded the application, so just open it. And once you open the application, so just make sure to log in with your email or Outlook account. And once you log in, just like let's say this is the kind of home interface like email, calendar, app. So just let's say I open this email, and once I am here, so I'll click on these three lines on the upper screen, and from here you will be able to see like multiple options, including like you can say report, junk, block, sender, snooze, print, ignore, forward. Like there are many options, but you will not be able to like see this option called recall mail in Outlook. So you will not be able to do it in your mobile phone. So that is a simple answer, that you will not be able to do it if you are using it in your mobile, but if you are on desktops, you will be able to do it. So do not try to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. You will not be able to do it. Do not waste your time and go to desktop and you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy answer on how you can recall mail in Outlook.